The racing pit lane now, we expect to see that front row pair. Couple of quarters, prototype.
Number 6 has a spin on there, almost collection.
In the meantime, here comes the first three rows. I don't know if we're going to get a start. No, we get a start. Green flag is out. The green flag is out. It looks like one of the cars out of the second row.
Somebody asked me if we go on into the street that morning. Turns on it. However, they're now coming down through the corkscrew. We can see it really good now. Everybody's taking a nice line. It doesn't get to be a problem until you get to the last lap.
No, right now it's, single file. Everybody's taking it easy, although we did have a car loop it over on the pace lap at the end of the pace lap before they got the green. I think that was the number 5 car being driven by Paul Tracy. But leaders come by, complete lap 1. And it is your bullsitter, Richard Westbrook, out front, followed by John Fogarty. Westbrook and 90 Fogarty, car number 9.